Hello, Airsofters and mortal people. Today we are Lithuania with Latvia event. We play in Latvia field. I'm not sure which one, but preparing for that. And the time we started, the field got on fire. You can see it smoke everywhere. We run to clear the fire. It was from grenade, so it's really dry land. So be careful, guys, at playing fields and try not burn all town.
I think someone should stay to hold us if something bad happens.
After some distraction, back to focus.
Laimiau. Po kairę. Aš kairę, dabar stebiu, žiūrėk dešinę. Pagydytas jisai jau. Vis užmes, kągi atsistojęs, pažiūrėt, ar per dešinę nepušina. I hit! Thank you!
When you headshot people, you can't be mad when you get headshot yourself. And here's the sneak angle, I think my favorite kill of this match. We lost lots of ground, so need to push, and I'm trying to move forward with sniper, because my team is really passive now.
Vėl.
As you can see and hear, the wind is crazy, and our BB weight limit in Lithuania is 0.3, and Latvians don't have BB's weight limit, so early stages we got really destroyed.
Yeah. Visai decent spot, tik atsargiai.
Thanks God my teammate got me. The plan is to keep moving forward, because we lost lots of ground and trying to push forward. Can't be mad when you get that perfect nade.
Nice one!
My team leader gave me to hold left flank, so I did that. As you can see, range is really far, wind is strong, and lots of branch trees. It's really hard to hit targets and need to take lots of shots to do that.
Kas čia vyksta?
So we took a break. After that we switched sides and we tried to get buildings first. Different plan, different outcome.
Hit!
It was hard, we didn't know the angles and we took already positions and we kinda stuck here.
Varo seniai, negaliu šaudyti.
Antras aukštas langas. Antras langas aukštas dešinės. Tu kur nori? Aš žiūriu laiptus.
Kam tu žiūri?
Kairiam yra pastate. Draugas, kairiam yra?
Tenai yra
Ir ten yra blybis tada. Tada nėra kur bėgti.
Granata!
Nu jau galimai nes. Ėt, ačiū! Nežinau iš kur.
Iš kairės, man atrodo.
Taip. Pirmas aukštas apačia.
I was healed!
First attempt wasn't good, so I switched the side and tried to approach from different angle. Well, this looked pretty hit, but it is what it is. We took the buildings, we took control, and now we are controlling the main object.
Ir priedangą turėsi ir galėsi nu.
Jo, ten. Op. Žiūrėk, šičia prie šono. Sorry. Čia ateik, pas mane prie šono atsistoji ir va žiūri, kad jie čia neateitų. Aš čia į apkastus bėgsiu.
Yep. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my channel if you didn't do that, so just do it now. You can check how the field looks like. It's pretty promising Latvian game in some Latvia field. I don't remember the exact location, but it was fun, and I hope I try to do more Lithuania with Latvia or other countries and to explore more fields. Thank you for watching and enjoy, guys.